Hi, my name is Nirali and welcome to our channel Food Diaries by Janie. Our today's recipe is a monsoon special spring onion soup. We'll prepare both clear and puree versions. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. It inspires us to create more content. Also, do check out our other delicious recipes. The ingredients for the soup are spring onions with leaves, corn flour, olive oil, black pepper powder, ginger, lemon juice and salt to taste. We begin with adding oil to the heated pan, followed by adding minced ginger and chopped onions. Then we'll add minced green chilies. This is optional if you want to increase the spiciness of the soup, since we are anyways adding black pepper later. We'll now add about 1 cup water, corn flour slurry, black pepper powder, lemon juice, spring onion leaves. More water and the remaining leaves. Make sure to stir this occasionally. Finally, the salt seasoning. Bring this to boil and let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes and then switch off the heat. This recipe makes about 4 servings. This is the clear version of the soup. The puree version is made by shearing the soup with an electric blender. Garnish the soup with seeds or coriander leaves and serve it hot. Thank you for watching our video and we hope you liked it. Remember to cook healthy, eat healthy and stay happy.